Hey, it's the Siren Collector here, and I'm in Wilderness State Park, and I found this FS Modulator 3012 right at campsite 596. This is part of the state park siren system. I'm pretty sure it's relatively new. I'm pretty sure these are probably around 10 years old. This one looks to be active, which is not very too much of a surprise. Has two antennas, maybe one for like the campsite headquarters, while the other one is maybe for like a extender of sorts to another modulator. You can see the warnings and logo there, maybe. I can't really see on my phone all that well. There also seems to be a bird nest up in the mount, and you can see the power cable and grounding line. There's the grounding cable right there, main power line right there, and then there's another grounding cable, looks like, to the heavy duty safety switch. So then there's all the others. Left looks to be for the antenna. Then the one that's like in front is to power the controller. The one in the back is for the battery backup, and then right there is the main conduit from the controller to the siren itself. So yeah, that's pretty much it to see for this siren here. So yeah, that's it for now. Bye.